I am only going to show this once. There's a lot of point otherwise, is there? How's that? We got gas. Perfect. Been round, did the squirty test, and that's good enough for now. There. Perfect again. Right, the gas is in there, and it's all plumbed in. I've also got a tap outside. I can turn it on and off out here. It's off now. So that's on. So I can now turn him on there, and that sends the supply to the cooker. And it is only the cooker and the grill and the oven that's running on it now. It's all one pipe, and that goes through. Just got to put some clips on it now. And there's copper from here right the way through, and then it's high pressure LPG hose on the bottle. Right, it's all plumbed in now. Got it up there on a tap, so that's off. That's on. I will mark it. That's on. That's off. So that's all done in there now. I haven't lined it yet. I will line it when I can get the aluminium out of the back of the shed. So that's it. I got another bloody mess to clear up. How does it happen? So I was nitpicking at niggly little things. Got the fuse cover off at the moment because I just put a switch there which turns the underbed lights on, the garage lights. And the only trouble is I forgot there's the LEDs that go right across the top of the doors. I never plumbed that in with it. So I'll put him on another switch. Yeah, and I'll take him off the MPPT on the load side. Yeah, because that still runs at night time as well. So I would like to have it to come on with the interior lights. I can soon spur off him. I can spur off him. Yeah, I'll spur off him, and I'll take one up there. I gotta find some more bloody wire now. Then I've run out, so that'll get done again. This is CCTV. It won't look so untidy as soon as I got this out. I haven't done cable management on that yet because there's another panel to go on there. But that's a 7-core cable that came right from the front off the van, and as you can see, I labelled them all. It was cheaper to put 7 cables down like that. It carried 21 watts. You know, got to run in trailer lights. And nothing LED down this end is going to take that sort of wattage. But anyway, I've disconnected it all now. I ripped it out up to here. It was this one that went right to the front, and I cut him off. And so we don't need him no more. I'm just trying to think what else was on it. I haven't labelled those. Oh, one of them's the oh no, that's the cabling off. Yeah, so the live is coming from the van battery to run the indicator beeper. So that's the only one I got connected to that, and the earth. Well, there's the earth. He ain't connected. So I know I've got the power and that down here now. I can do it. It's just niggly things that I'm slowly catching up with. I've got nothing else to do. I can't afford any more ply. I'd like to carry on and do the stuff. I've definitely haven't got enough carpet to do the bulkhead. I would have liked to have done that panel, but there again, maybe not. I was toying with the idea of bolting a ladder to the inside of the door, so I could get on the roof, because these doors go all the way back, and I was going to put a ladder, but look how far I got to step over, so changed my mind on that. So I'll just get a ladder and I'll stick him on the wall. I mean that one works well. You got flashy lights underneath as well. That's the fire brigade one, that is. Yeah, I don't know where I took him. I don't know where I took the power from for that. Right, anyway, that's it. Next. There's another one in the boot then. That's, I've just hoovered up, but I've put my strobe socket up there now, because the wires for that come out of the top over rollover bar. So that one's done as well now. Can't think of a lot else now. Running out of things to do. There, that's just another trivial thing. That's the one I have on at night time. I always have done. And it's just enough to light the keyboard up. It's just a little tiny LED light. Got to put up with that wire going down there. I wasn't going to put him under the carpet because you'd still see it anyway. So it's only a little short run. Taking it off the power out of there. So off the laptop power. So that's one another little job done. Right, Saturday. I've been in bed yesterday, Friday. I didn't do anything. Put me back out. Right, I've connected this heavy cable, right, to two MC4s, because that's my extension. I always had one, the same with what is, I just cut the old cable up. Used to run it down the front, so I could plug in my Power Oak solar panels, and it boosted my battery charging by 2 amps in this dull, overcast day. So it all helps. It is absolutely chucking it down, and I got the diesel heater flat out, pulling 3 amps, only 36 watts, 37 watts. Alright, and that includes 2 LED lights, the cameras and the tracker all running together. And there's absolutely no solar coming in whatsoever. So, yeah, out this window, it's absolutely chucking it down. Torrential. I mean, the floods have come up this far so far, nearly to the top of the curbs here. Yeah, nearly to the top of the curbs. Well, that's the bed down in, that's the sofa down in bed mode. This cushion, there's another one to it, which will be coming in here. I haven't fetched them all in. I didn't see the point. I've just used the short one there, just to show you that it fills it up. But the other one will fill the same as that. They're both the same length. That one I normally put up there, and I only need one cushion then. That's what I normally do. So the other cushion will go in there, and that'll make up the single bed. There, that's appetizing. I could climb into that now. Yep. Still chucking it down. And plastic lid. Plastic lid. And that's only just drizzle. It's not even raining as such, which I'm just about to pack it in. 2:30, well, 23. Don't know what I wanted to do. Put a carpet down, carpet out inside the seats. All of them, that one, that cupboard, they've all been carpeted. I've even, I don't know whether I should have done it, but I've even carpeted the Thetford floor. I just let the carpet run out into there. But of course, that's all rubber floored in there. Yeah, Oyster Lake, so I'm calling it. There you go, back in table mode. And as daft as it sounds, once it's there, you can sit somebody on there. I can sit here. Oh, perhaps it's got to have a little belly. I can still move the table a little bit though. There you go. So I can sit here. I can see that way. I can see into the houses now. If I come around this side, yep, that's where it needs to be, to sit somebody in that seat. Although saying that, the driver's seat will go forwards more, but I'm keeping it there, more relaxed. Yeah, I still got my, he is nice, that is. That's a nice warm light. That's just right for night time. It is just right for night time. Right, that's my door done. And a pull handle, because you know what transits are like for shutting. They don't like it. So that's all done. Right, there is a mistake on there, and I've shown it twice now, and I'm not going to show it again. Could anybody point it out for me? Right, there you go. It's a full view, and I got all this bloody mess to clear up. Look at it. And I used all that glue. Oh, that one's still full. I'll open that and put it back in there for now. There you go. Shut that up. Lock that off. The nosy neighbour again. So there, that's it. That's done. Yeah. Carpet's down. All this bloody rubbish. I ain't doing it until tomorrow. As you can see, pitch dark outside. It is getting on. Oh, it's only 4:30, 25 to 5. And it's dark, so I've had no heating on in here today, and I've had to take my jumper off because it got rather bloody warm. So that's it, ladies and gents.